Creating a beautiful toy for children can be a fun and rewarding project. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Determine the toy type. Decide on the type of toy you want to make. It could be a stuffed animal, a wooden puzzle, a doll, or any other toy that captures children's imagination. Research and sketch. Look for inspiration online, in books, or at toy stores. Sketch out your ideas to visualize the toy's design, features, and dimensions. Consider the age range and interests of the children who will be playing with the toy. Gather materials. Identify the materials you'll need based on your design. For example, if you're making a stuffed animal, you'll need fabric, stuffing, thread, and basic sewing supplies. If it's a wooden toy, you'll require appropriate wood, a saw, sandpaper, and non-toxic paint or varnish. Prepare the pattern or template. Create a pattern or template based on your design. For fabric toys, you can draw the pattern directly onto the fabric or create a paper pattern. If you're making a wooden toy, you may need to create a template to trace onto the wood. Cut and assemble. Use your pattern or template to cut out the necessary pieces. If it's a fabric toy, sew the pieces together, leaving openings for stuffing. If it's a wooden toy, cut the wood pieces and sand them to remove any rough edges. Assemble the toy using glue, screws, or other appropriate methods. Add details and features. Enhance the toy's appeal by adding details and features. For a fabric toy, you can sew on eyes, nose, mouth, or any other decorative elements. For a wooden toy, you can paint or carve designs to make it more visually appealing. Safety considerations. Ensure the toy is safe for children to play with. Avoid using small parts that could be choking hazards, and make sure all materials are non-toxic. Check for any sharp edges, loose parts, or potential hazards that could cause harm. Test and refine. Once the toy is complete, give it a thorough inspection and test it to ensure it functions as intended. If necessary, make adjustments or refinements to improve its usability or durability. Packaging and presentation. Consider packaging the toy in an attractive and child-friendly way. You can use colorful wrapping paper, a fabric bag, or a custom-designed box to make it more enticing. Share and enjoy. Give the toy to a child or share it with others. Seeing the joy and excitement on a child's face when they receive your handmade creation is one of the most rewarding parts of the process. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when making toys for children. If you have any doubts about the safety or suitability of a design, consult relevant safety guidelines or seek expert advice.